Okay, we are doing page number 39. Okay, starting with number 6. We have negative 3 times j plus 4 is less than 6. So I'm going to want to distribute this. So negative 3j, 3 times 4 is negative 12, is less than 6. I'm going to try to isolate for the j, plus 12, plus 12. Sign remains the same, but now I got negative 3j is less than 18. Okay, if I want to get the j by itself, I have to divide by a negative. When I divide by a negative, I have to flip this sign. So that's going to cross out. I flip the sign, and 18 is going to be divided by negative 3, and that's going to give you negative 6. So B is the answer. Okay, next one, number 28. This one says negative 5 over 3 is smaller or greater, less than or equal to 3s minus 2, which is less than or equal to negative 3 over 2. Which of the following accurately expresses all possible values of, we want to get to negative 12s plus 9. Okay, so in your mind now, you have to think, because we got the s here and we got a number here, just like we got the s here and a number here. How do we get the 3 to become a negative 12? You got to multiply it by negative 4, right? So first thing we got to do is multiply by negative 4. And if you multiply that by negative 4, you got to multiply everything by negative 4. So if you multiply this by negative 4, that's going to be plus 8. But this is plus 9. So what do we have to do after that? We need to add 1. Okay? So we're going to do that to every single one of them. Okay? What we do to this side, we're going to first multiply by negative 4. We have to multiply everything by negative 4. Okay, and when we do that, these signs are going to switch. So let's switch the signs right now. This is going to take us to negative 12s. Negative times negative is plus 8. Okay, and then these are all going to be now 4 times 3 is positive 12 over 2. 4 times 5 is positive 20 over 3. Now I need to add this is going to reduce to a 1 or a 6. Now I need to do a plus 1 because I want to add this to become a 9, right? So I'm going to go plus 1 here. So if I do that, I'm going to get exactly what I need. So this is going to remain fixed because it's exactly where it is, but I got to do this on every side. Plus 1, and I don't want to change anything here, so I'm going to go plus 3 over 3, which is the same thing as 1. So 23 over 3 is going to be equal to 7. And which one is that answer? It is D. Okay, the last one on this page is number 33. We have 3 over 8 minus a plus 3 over 4, which is less than or equal to a minus 1 over 2. Well, one thing that I probably want to do is, what's gross about this is all of the denominators being different. If I multiply everything by 8, if I multiply the entire equation by 8, we could get rid of it all, okay? This and this is going to cross out to a 4, okay? And this is going to cross out to a 2. And this is just going to cross out. So that's going to be 3 minus, and let's distribute this, 2a. And then that's going to be negative 6, okay? And that's going to be less than or equal to, the signs remain the same because we just multiplied by a positive number. This is going to be 4a minus 4. And now it's easy peasy. Let's go plus 2a here, plus 2a here. Cross that out. We got 3 minus 6 is going to be negative 3 on this side. And on this side, we're going to get 4 plus 2 is 6a minus 4. Let's further isolate. Plus 4, plus 4. 6a is going to be less than positive 1. Divide by a 6, divide by a 6. A is going to equal to 1 over 6. Okay, so it says, what is the possible integer value? So 1 over 6 is not an integer. Look at what the question's asking. They didn't ask you to just solve for A. They ask, what is the least possible integer value of A? So the closest integer value, an integer is a whole number, to A would be 1, because that's the next whole number after 1, 6. So 1 would be your answer. See right there, even though you might have gotten what A is, the answer is 1 because you didn't read the whole question.